Some people told me Samsung is a stupid company. Maybe he was right. Samsung is really becoming a stupid company. Do not get me wrong. I love Samsung. I love Samsung Notebook 9 laptop. I love Samsung foldable phone. I'm talking about flip phone, okay, to be precise. Flip phone. I love Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. But I hate when Samsung is trying to show how stupid is that company. Everyone know folding phone is a gimmick. Folding phone is a gimmick. The only folding phone which makes sense is with a hinge, ZTE Axon M. But other than that, who is going to buy a $2,500 folding phone? I mean, even the lowest, the minimum, the minimum entry level folding phone is going to be around 1700 US dollar. I mean, I can buy a $500 absolutely solid, Tab S4 with another $500 solid, Galaxy Note 9 1000. Buy another. If one thing gone bad, I have second thing to use. $1,700, $2,500 US dollar for a phone is a gimmick. It's a gimmick. The only thing which makes sense was like Sony launched their tablet, I think 5.5 inch, few years ago, Sony P foldable, tablet, or ZTE Axon makes sense. The only downside of ZTE Axon is the battery life is quite bad. Other than that, a hinge folding phone I like. If you're talking about the screen will fall, it's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. Samsung is a gimmick, right? My words, it's a gimmick. It's a gimmick. It's a gimmick. Number one thing, we do not need a flagship every year. We need a flagship every 2 or 3 years. We need to stop. We are trying to advance in technology so fast that we don't know where to stop. The problem is that we know we are already end of our innovation of the mobile phone, but still we want to innovate something stupid. Samsung foldable phone is a very bad idea, to be honest with you. FlexPai is another stupid bad idea. Again, you can agree with me or disagree with me. This is my 2 cents. Yeah, 2 cents. And now do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. It does me. Geek. Bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي